Okay, let's look at the fingernails. For this, I'm going to put my subdivision to the highest level, okay, to 4, and then I'm going to come over here and do this. Now, one thing I might do is just kind of give myself more sculpting room. Control spacebar will go full screen, and then Control spacebar again will bring me back. So Control spacebar. Okay. Now coming in here, I'm going to go to my mask, and now I'm just going to kind of paint where the fingernail would be. I'm just going to kind of make these fingers a little less pointy. This has nothing to do with the masking, I'm just kind of noticing how pointed they were. Okay, good. So now that I have that, I'm going to go to Mask, Invert Mask, and now I can come down here, go to my Grab, and I'm just going to kind of go like this. Just pull that out ever so slightly, and I'm again do that on all of them. And invert the mask. And now I'm going to grab this part and kind of bring it up a little bit like that. And then mask, and then clear mask. And now I can kind of see that I've got some fingernails in there. And I feel like you might want to just make, you know, some edits to the fingers, kind of looking at it from different angles. I feel like I'm starting to notice some things. And then maybe even draw sharp and just kind of looking good. And then I'll just press Control Spacebar to get back.